Welcome to Article Factory. Only one glass and your liver will be better than ever. These modern-day times do not offer to the fallen leaves sufficient time to create a healthy excellent diet plan, especially for liver benefits. That is the major reason that individuals make a decision to begin using artificial or already ready food, that is also not simply decreased in nutrients, especially because it is very processed. However, it has a lot of bad additives. If the product is not natural, including the veggies as well as fruit, individuals shopping at the markets are getting them that have pesticides in them. Additionally, we do not have to state that the usage of these foods are able to provide unfavorable effects on the function of the liver, which is actually one of the most important parts of the body, which is the responsibility of eliminating toxins from individuals' bodies. Doctors say that detoxification of the liver is a process which every person should be using from time to time. When performing intoxication of the liver, people do not eliminate just the bad toxins which are gathered in the liver. They also make better the absorption of the proteins and its synthesis. What are we trying to say is that their process of detoxification of the liver is going to provide stimulation and make better the complete function of the liver. By using this recipe, you will be able to make detoxification as well as to make better the function of the liver. The diet is very important when it comes to the health of your liver. In order to make the functions of the liver exceptional, people should definitely pay attention in order to give essential nutrients to the liver. So it is very important that the type of food products people use. Also, this is important because if a person has some problems with the liver and the liver has some disease, the person won't be able to notice it until it becomes very serious and dangerous and even more difficult to cure it. If you don't want any problems with fatty liver or hepatitis, then detoxify your liver every chance you get. The following natural recipe is a great with awesome benefits for the liver detoxification. And it is consisted of a couple of easy ingredients, which people can find anywhere. This is the recipe for curing liver. The following are the necessary ingredients. 1 liter water, raw honey to taste. Half a cup fresh orange juice. A handful of fresh mint leaves. 1 lemon juice. Grate the rind as well. How to prepare it? First of all, you have to boil the water and afterwards to put the mint leaves. The next thing to do is to leave it to simmer for approximately 5 minutes. Take it off from the heat and leave it to cool down. After that, put the lemon juice as well as the orange juice together with the grated lemon rind. Finally, at the end, put honey in order to give the mixture of better taste. This is an incredible recipe which is capable of detoxifying the liver, but also to make better the digestion of people. Consume it when it is hot or cold each and every single day. How even lemon can help your liver. Lemon and liver. Consumption of lemon is associated with liver health because it's often a component of a liver cleanse or flush. Proponents of these concoctions say that lemon juice, along with other items such as Epsom salt, oils and herbs, helps clean the liver of toxic substances that may cause harm, thus improving the organ's function and your health. But no formal studies have tested the claims that lemon juice, or any of the other components of a liver flush, work as suggested, according to the American Cancer Society. Lemon nutrition. Lemons do make a healthy addition to your diet and, in that sense, support liver function. Lemon juice is low in calories and an excellent source of vitamin C. The juice from one whole lemon has only 11 calories and 3 grams of carbs. It also has 19 milligrams of vitamin C, meeting more than 30% of the daily value. Although the juice from one lemon is not a significant source of any other nutrient, it can help you meet your daily needs for thiamine, pantothenic acid, folate, vitamin B6, magnesium and potassium. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.